So here's the problem. You got bad credit. Or they say, you're declined. You can't be approved. You go out and try to get an apartment. Or you go out and try to get a rental home. Or maybe even a car. Or a personal loan. You can't even qualify for a mortgage. Why? Because you got bad credit. Or insufficient credit, as they say. So I'm here to help you solve that problem. How to fix and improve your credit is something that you can do yourself within 7 business days. I have the exact secrets, or should I say the laws, a state law, federal law, and a step-by-step system on how you can improve your credit yourself. I'll provide you with a PDF, a template, and you can follow this step-by-step proven system and you'll be able to improve your credit yourself. It doesn't matter if you have a collection, repossession, eviction, late bills, whatever it is. These things can come off the same way they came on there, as long as you know the law. Now, I'm only charging $99 to give you this information, to give you this game, so to speak. You'll be able to download a PDF at checkout, and it's going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can improve your credit yourself. $100 to get rid of thousands of dollars of debt possibly that you might have. You'll be able to join us on our one-on-one coaching webinars that we give, where we give information, question and answer, we'll give it to you. You'll be able to stay in tune with us. You'll be able to call us at our toll-free number. You'll be able to email us as well. $100 to improve your situation. No matter what the bad credit is, it can come off. But you have to take advantage today. Maybe you want a new house. Maybe you want a new car. Maybe you just want some cash flow via credit card, so to speak. This way, you have these things in order to take care of you and your situation, or you and your family. You don't believe me? Let me show you some examples. Here's one client, proof in the pudding. Notice this. Okay, so here's your proof. I'm gonna go ahead and log right into Experian and try to make this as quick as possible. Okay, so our credit suite process will eliminate evictions, inquiries, repossessions, you name it. It's all going to come off. And I'm going to show you. This is a gentleman that came in, and before we sweep this credit to where he can have a, no score, let's go over to, we're going to start on June 30th. All right, so I'm going to go over here to June 30th. And we're going to look at, we're going to just use Experian for the example for the sake of time. And it's going to be the same thing across the board. So here you see that it was 488 as far as the score. As far as inquiries, here on Experian's website, you will see that he has a total of 19 inquiries. Okay, all this stuff going on. Now, inquiries stay on your credit for 2 years, just in case you didn't know. Okay, collections, they say 7 years before they fall off. So all this junk that was going on, that was just put on in these recent years, for example, this imitation home, which was an eviction, $12,000, that's all bad. Sprint, all bad. 1,200, Antelope Valley, 2, 1, that's about 4,000 and more. Okay, 8 collections, all this stuff. Accounts, go up under accounts and you'll see he has no revolving installment credits, so that's why it showed a 0 score in the beginning. But again, all this negative, $12,000, as of right now, it's not on his report. So you've seen inquiries, collections, and accounts. And you go over here to July 18th, literally 0 accounts. You don't see none of that negative stuff no more. As far as collections, you don't see none of those collections no more. Those 8, 9 accounts, 40,000 in debt, no more. Inquiries, he only has 5 because he went out and got a car after he seen that we did the credit suite. Okay, so our process work, our credit suite system is the business. So make sure you tap in. But there's your proof and there's your pudding. So you see, it can be done. The law would tell you, well, it's going to stay on for 2 years, meaning an inquiry, that is. Collections take 7 years or so before they just fall off. Well, in these client situations, in 7 business days, we were able to remove all their inquiries as well as those accounts that was jeopardizing their credit and their credibility. So again, you pay $100 today to eliminate thousands of dollars of debt, and you'll have access to communicate with us directly, and we'll coach you through it. And if you want us to actually do it ourselves, we'll be able to show you how that can be done as well. So again, tap in, go ahead and check out, pay the $100. This way, you can change your situation today for a better you tomorrow. You'll have access to our online webinar. So don't forget, you have access to question and answers once you subscribe for that. So hopefully we'll see you on a webinar, and be sure to check out today to change your situation.